we're back. Server's updated. I'll leave the server IP in the description. Yeah, we're back. Back. It's 1.4.4 now. Is that stupid torch glitch? You keep seeing the torchlight out of nowhere, man. I might move the switch over here. Go custom map. I made a switch right here. Thinking about making a little water pump, you know, just be creative. I'll show you this is like a little bedroom area, a basement area. I'll show you right now. I can work on a little turf later, build stuff. Yeah, this is gonna be the main server area. However, this is gonna be like the staff area or VIP or maybe donor area. Oh, this is like a mini prison. This is where the prison's gonna be. Something. We'll make a better one later. Another entrance maybe or something. You know, some mob heads I made. Down here I made it look like the coals used if any donors or someone looked at it. It's raining, you know, this little area looking nice. I'll change the floor later. And a secret entrance out. Look, it's like a hacker comes and attack, and I'm in like, or like we're doing a role play thing, you know, maybe. So what happens over here is my bedroom. Nothing in it, you know. Get food. Nice, right? See, there's like other security. We don't want players sneaking and grabbing everything. They can become rich. You know how much they sell to get an economy. Oh, treasure and treasure. I don't know why they don't get others. I don't know why I did these. I need to make that room a little bigger. Yeah. But yeah, or the one's open. Yeah, it looks like. So you can control. So you know you can make them both open. Or is that see? But they both have to be closed, kind of, to get in. Yeah, this is my little bedroom. Oh, you guys, did you guys just see that? It's a torch glitch. Have you guys seen me flickering? Did you guys just see that? It feels like torches are everywhere, man. It's like a ghost or something. It's like they added ghosts or something to Minecraft. Well, this is a pretty scary update. Wouldn't be surprised. Whoa. Oh yeah, this is like the main exit area. This is like another emergency exit if you don't have time to get down there. And yeah. Oh. Why did I how did I do that? It seems me and friends made this. So they made a little bit of this area mainly. Kind of they made some changes. What is this? I'm mainly from try to stay in survival mode a lot. And you know, if we're in a PvP arena, you guys are welcome to kill me if you're on the server at the time. I just actually thought these chests were gonna be empty. I think my friends left me that to do. Oh man, it's a little big tower. Oh man, we're gonna have to. Well, I'm gonna have to get rid of that chest. I don't know what they were thinking. Look at this giant farm, baby. What happened over here? What just happened? What happened over here? Oh, cocoa bean. Cocoa beans. Did you just see that? Did you bloody just see that? And no, I'm not British. And which tower is this? Oh, I was wondering where all that cattle sounds. Okay. So, what is it? No. So these like you can collect. Yeah. I guess with all the drops. This looks decorative. Yeah, I guess we'll use this in a lot of our videos. I already have like a thing planned out. I can just tell you guys like the storyline of it as I go. So I'm like king of the kingdom of Scandia or something, I think. King Crud, the lady Captain Crud. This like another player, King Chaos. Chaos. K, you know, get it? Chaos. K-Boss. That's cool. Yeah, that's if your people are feeling lazy, it looks like. I guess it, that's probably, well, I see it keeps mobs out, the glowstone doesn't keep them away. Yeah, it's really annoying now, but, you know, mobs can go really fast and are, like, really dark. Oh, a skeleton, I think, shot me in MC Bestcraft. It's really cool. Play.mcbestcraft.com or .net, I believe. Go check it out yourself to see which it is. Cause I'm too lazy to go check myself. Oh yeah. Oh, sorry. My main storyline, he beats me up. I'm thinking about my animation, going maybe something with Viva La Vida. One of my staff, Dora Lane. I'm thinking about you know what? I'm gonna go enchant a really powerful sword, and I just have to do something. So like, you know what? Hey, what are you doing? Oh, yeah. Oh, so I saw something. Dorlane's Bane. So I just have to do that. He's a staff member. You can just drop people in lava right there, or you can throw them. Or why isn't that working? Who rated it? Oh, wait a minute. Oh, did I do that because? Oh, good. Okay. I guess we can put something in there later. I should sell Dorlane's Bane to people. Yeah, we just want to give it like a little god sword or something. Well, then that's what everyone calls them on servers. Like god armor or god swords. You know, the really powerful armor. I heard it literally makes you almost invincible. What just happened? Okay, it fell closed on me. Oh, I see a bunch of people get. No! Is 30 the highest level you can do? Smite 1? How dare you! Why is level... How is that? That was 12, the highest level it goes. Ugh. I just had... Whoever made this weren't thinking straight. Whoever made this was not thinking straight when they were making an enchanting room. You can't just do that. I mean, is this gonna be like my bedroom or something? Yeah. That's what I mean. There we go. I like it now. Oh, back to the main thing. So, like, what I was thinking was, like, Dora, like, King Chaos, you know, takes over the kingdom, big battle, something good animation like Captain Sparkles did, but only with, like, goes along with Viva La Vida, the tune of that. Yeah. I just cannot take this. I just can't take it like this. You know, these water pipes can be made for another day, man. Another day. Another day. I'll be back when I make this. I'll make like another episode. This video's getting kind of long, anyways. And see ya. How do I stop this? How do I stop this?